Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows was unable to format error, the one that stops you from formatting your USB or hard drive. Let's get this solved quickly. First, open the search bar and type CMD. When it appears, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Once the command prompt opens, type this command: chkdsk drive_letter:/F/R. Replace drive letter with the letter of the drive you're trying to format. For example, if your drive is E, type chkdsk E:/F/R. Now press Enter. Windows will start scanning, repairing errors, and preparing the drive so it can be formatted successfully. This process can take a little time depending on the size and condition of the drive, so just let it run. Once it finishes, try formatting the drive again. It should work without the error now. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.